Look, I don't know for who this is, but marriage is not for everyone. Okay? Don't be fooled just because your friends are getting married. Now you want to get married. Okay? Everybody is not marriage material. Okay? Some of us must remain single. Some of us must not touch the marriage vows, because not all of us can maintain it and sustain it. And another thing is, society has created this mess. Society has a certain control over us. That's why it created marriage. Because once you're in marriage, you are part of the whole system. You see? But it's messed up. The system is messed up. Look at all the divorces today. I got a colleague, I won't lie to you, she's only a year married. They're almost like celebrities getting married nowadays. People are falling in love, out of love, like it's nothing. And it's not an easy thing. You know, people are so fake today. You date people, they're also good actors. They pretend to be so all loving. And then when you get married to them or you start living with them, then the mask come off. Then you start seeing who the person really is. So you don't really know the person that you are dating. You are dating a concept. You are dating an idea of the person, but not the person. Only when you start living with the person, then the mask off. You know what I mean? Then the mask come off. Then you start realizing, but yay, what it must be. I've seen it so many times. And it amazes me. Now don't get me wrong. I'm not saying don't get married, okay? Marriage is a big thing if you're lucky to meet the right person. Listen, the word lucky. Everybody's not lucky nowadays. Marriage is luck. A successful marriage is a luck. You can't plan that. You don't know what you're getting. And unfortunately, most of people today, they get messed up relationships. People are messed up. And then they destroy the relationship. And don't get me bad, then there's children involved. Then there's a house involved, finances involved. It just makes things so complicated. Guys, don't get married before you love a person. Leave that old pattern thinking of you gotta get married before you get up together. That's bullshit. Okay? In today's time, you can't take that risk. There's too much at stake. There's people today that is living a hell of a life. They're in hell with this person because they can't get out. Because they now made the bed, now they must lay in it, but the bed is a mess. The relationship is a mess. So my information to you is don't get married. I'm lucky I'm married 22 years now. Like I said, I was lucky to meet somebody I can work with. Not everybody can work with one another. Not everybody are willing to fight for a marriage. There's those that are in the marriage just for when it's a good times. When there's money and when there's happy times. Life is not just about happy times. It's about the bad times as well. There's going to be difficulties. That's when you're tested in your marriage. When there's a lot of uphill. There's a lot of family drama. How do you deal with it? Who are you putting first? Are you putting your wife first? Or are you putting the family first? Your family first? Eh? You got to make choices. And I can tell you today, you got to put your wife first above everything else. Don't put your kids or your family above your wife or husband. You see, you should be together for one another. Be one another's cheerleaders. Be one another's greatest achievement for one another. Upbuild one another. Uplift one another. Don't bring each other down. Don't drag one another down. Because and don't you also have jealousy in your marriage? That's another thing. You're supposed to love one another and not be jealous and too overprotective about one another and shield the one and break them. You know, there's a lot of couples out there that's breaking one another down. They're destroying one another so that the one can have an upper hand over the other one. It's teamwork, guys. It's teamwork. Teamwork makes the dream work. Don't be, like I said, destructive in your marriage. Okay? If you're lucky, you find someone that you can work with. You can meet one another halfway. You can come to the table when there's difficulties. You can sort out your differences. There's understanding there. Understanding it, like they say, is the greatest thing in the world. If you understand one another's situation, you understand, you can work. But if you don't have that foundation, if you don't have a solid foundation to build your marriage on, forget about it. If your foundation is money, based on what can you do for me? Can you keep me happy? Only when you do this for me. That's conditions. Don't have conditions on your marriage. Don't make it because the one is doing this for you, now you want to do that for them. No. Do it because you love the person. Do it because it's the right thing to do. Do it because you're investing in your marriage. You are keeping your marriage fruitful, respectful, meaningful, purposeful. Because only then can you benefit in the long run. Because now you have a solid ground to stand on. Because now they can't point at you and say you are this and you are that. That's why people blame one another for what they do in the past. You don't have to blame one another if you do the right thing now. Be the person now, not go through all that shit still. Don't waste your life. Okay? Just some advice for you out there. Stay blessed. If you want to hear more of this, so to follow and say what you like about what I said. Do you want to listen more about this? And follow me and like the video and let's push it out there. Okay? Stay blessed. Thank you everybody for listening. I'm out.